So me and Nick did the filming of the Alfa Romeo estate. So it's our 2000 Spider. It drives wonderfully. It really does. It really, really goes. I was actually surprised. It was absolutely fabulous. So much fun. I got behind the wheel of this car and I was a bit tentative, because I always am when I first get behind the wheel of a classic car, because you never know what it's going to be like. They're very different, all of them. They've got their own personalities, and I actually love it.